using the LifeJacket IMW578 speaker. To power on your device, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Once powered on, you will hear,
"Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing."
Your speaker will automatically go into pairing mode, indicated by a flashing blue LED light. If you do not see a flashing blue LED light, press and hold the plus and minus button until you hear a beep. This will perform a Bluetooth reset on your speaker. Once completed, you should see a flashing blue LED light. To pair your speaker, go to the Bluetooth manager of your smartphone. Search Bluetooth devices and select LifeJacket 3 to start connecting. Once connected, the LED indicator on your speaker will turn solid blue. If this does not work, switch your Bluetooth on and off on your smartphone and repeat the steps. If this still does not work, press and hold the plus and minus button until you hear a beep. This will perform a Bluetooth reset on your speaker. Once completed, you should see a flashing blue LED light. Repeat the previous steps. To pair your speakers using near-field communication, hold your NFC-enabled device directly against the wireless check-in spot indicated on your speaker. Power on your speaker. Go to the Bluetooth manager of your Bluetooth speaker. Search Bluetooth devices and select LifeJacket 3 to start connecting. To connect two Altec Lansing speakers together using true wireless pairing, first pair one of your speakers to your Bluetooth device. Once paired, press the plus and minus button at the same time. Next, dependent upon the model speaker, press either the plus and minus button at the same time, or press the Bluetooth button to enter the second speaker into pairing mode. The speakers will go into pairing mode and after a few seconds will pair with each other. True wireless pairing can be used with the following speakers. To play or pause a song, press the power button. To increase or decrease the volume of a song, press the plus button or the minus button. To change a song, press and hold the plus or minus button. To enable voice control, press the power button 2 times. To answer or end a call, press the power button. To change the volume of a call, press the volume up or volume down button. To charge your speaker, locate the charging port on the back of your speaker. Plug in the included micro USB cable and plug into a power source. When your device is charging, you will see a red LED indicator light illuminated. Once fully charged, the LED light will go away. Allow for up to 4 hours to receive a full charge. For more information about this product, visit the Altec Lansing website at www.alteclansing.com.